Hello everyone, David Raffinengo here with Keller Williams Realty in Vienna, Virginia in Tyson's Corner. Today we're going to be talking about things to do to get your home ready to sell. This is going to be a two-part video. Next week we're going to be talking about staging and the benefits of staging to get the home ready for pictures and showings. Today we're talking mainly about things you can do in your home to get them ready to put on the market. So first thing to understand is that 89% of showings happen in the first 3 weeks of having your home on the market. So it is crucial to have the house ready and showing top notch the day you put it on the market. Of course, it's really important to have it priced right. This is what a professional real estate agent is going to help you with. But pricing and condition are the two top things to get a house sold at top dollar and fast as possible. Today we're focusing on the condition side of things. So first thing you want to look at is curb appeal. When you pull up to a home, curb appeal is the very first thing people are going to look at. It's going to turn off people if it doesn't look like right. So you have to make sure the grass is cut, the bushes are trimmed back, that the door is painted. A little mulch and flowers here and there are going to just brighten up the front curb appeal. Walk into the house, it needs to smell nice, not only look well. So if you're a dog person, cat person, nothing against cat people, dog people here. I'm a dog lover myself, but you don't want it stinking like animals, right? If you have a litter box for the cat, make sure it's put away so people don't see that. They get scared and get concerned. Even if they're pet people, they still get concerned if they see signs of damage or smell. Okay, so make sure you're addressing those things. Decluttering. Everyone knows decluttering is fundamental. Like, you have to get that done. You got to get the house cleaned and all the junk and extra stuff laying around and magnets on the refrigerator and all those things need to come off, right? The house needs to look clean, pristine. If you have closets and pantries that are stuffed with stuff, too many things, clean them out, thin them out, because that gives a sign of a limited storage space in the house if you are overstuffed with closets and pantries. Okay, so thin those out. Paint and floors are probably the two biggest investments you have in terms of making your house ready. The house needs a fresh coat of paint. If you have you don't want the orange wall to be the first thing people look at and the things that people talk about. The paint needs to be a neutral color, the gray tones, those things that are kind of in right now. That's what people want to see. You don't want that to be a distraction. You want it to be something that they almost don't even talk about. It needs to brighten up the room. Speaking of floors are also important. If you have carpet, make sure you get hardwood floors. Invest in some hardwood floors. Carpet's not something that people want to see, and if you do have carpets and you're not willing to change up to hardwood floors, get them either cleaned or replaced. It's not that expensive to get the new carpets in. The other thing to focus on is lighting. You want to have new light fixtures, okay? You have 1980s, 1970 light fixtures, make sure you just get some. They're not that expensive. Home Depot, Lowe's, these big chain companies, they all have nice fixtures that you can probably get done yourself, to be honest with you. So that's a really big one. Same thing with wall switches and doorknobs. Make them all match. If you're getting brushed nickel, make sure that everything's brushed nickel so it looks well and it's updated and it looks newer, right? Kitchen, cabinets, granite, stainless steel. This is what everyone wants, right? When you look at a house, sexy kitchens sell, right? Same thing with bathrooms. They need to look clean and updated. These are all things you need to think about investing in when you're selling your house if they're not updated. If the budget's an issue, there are contractors out there that will do the work and get paid at settlement. So look at those options. We can offer that for you as well. But it's really important to get these things done. If all these things that I'm mentioning aren't adding value to the home so much as they are getting your home sold quickly, okay? In real estate, the longer homes sit on the market, time is money. You're losing money, so it affects your bottom line. If a house sits on the market, this area is $500,000 average sales price, so the price drops $10,000. It's worth spending money on getting a house ready so it sells quicker and you're not having to do these price drops to get it sold. Okay, so next week we're going to be talking about part 2, staging the homes, the benefits of staging and getting it ready for showtime. All right, so thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. Like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope you have a great week. Thank you.